Phase control is a method applied in power electronics to regulate power operated with alternating voltage. Both resistive and inductive load cannot be possible with. Zero crossing control is to switch on/off at zero crossing of AC source voltage. Inductive load cannot be possible with. The factory default is phase control. This is how to check the control mode. Press the M key for 3 seconds and push the up key. Press the M key 2 times, and push the up key at Sdn. It is set to phase control already. Press RET twice. The lamp load is operating by phase control. Press the M key for 3 seconds and push the up key. Press the M key twice. Press the down key at C-MD, and select F-CY. Press RET twice. The lamp load is operating by zero crossing control.